Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 11, Changes in Living Things, and today I will deliver its 5th lecture. So my dear students, let's quickly recap what we did in the previous lecture. In the previous lecture, we compared the life cycles of plants and animals, and we discussed about the different stages of the life cycle of animals, like giving birth, coming out of the egg, or taking live birth, and then the growth and development process, and then they enter into a new stage which is called reproduction, in which now the young ones, which now are mature, are able to reproduce their own kind. So my dear students, today the students will be able to identify the changes in the lifespan of animals, and we discuss about the life cycle of hen today. So my dear students, let's quickly look at the Islamic perspective. Allah created every living thing from water. Some of them crawl on their stomachs, some walk on 2 legs, and some walk on all 4s. God creates what He wills because God is all powerful. So my dear students, Allah Ta'ala ही हर चीज़ के खालिक है. जितने भी living things आपको नजर आ रहे हैं, इनको तख्लीक करने वाली ज़ात जो है वो अल्लाह ताला की है. So my dear students, have you ever seen a baby animal? Very good. So did you find any difference in the baby animal and its mother or the adult animal? Very good. So my dear students, here is the life stages of hen. It starts from an egg, and from the egg a chicken comes out, and the chick in 90 days becomes an adult hen, and the adult hen is now able to produce eggs again. So this is the life cycle of hen, यानी कि egg से start होता है, then a chick comes out, and then the chick is in development process, growth and development process for 90 days, and then it changes into an adult hen, or adult hen जो है फिर is now capable enough to reproduce new eggs or lay new eggs. So my dear students, now quickly open life cycle of hen in unit number 11. I hope everybody has opened the page. Life cycle of hen. You have studied the life stages of organisms. These step-by-step processes are collectively called as life cycle. The life cycle of one group of living things, although is different from that of another group, but all have previously discussed stages in general. Here we will study the life cycle of a hen. So my dear students, हमने different organisms, हमने plants के भी life stages पढ़े हैं, हमने animals के in general life stages भी पढ़े थे, और these are called the life cycles. So ये जो stages हैं हर animal और plant में different होते हैं. इनका even duration जो होता है growth का और सब चीज़ों का वो भी different होता है. Even birth का जो duration होता है वो भी different होता है. हैचिंग ऑफ एग्स का भी जो ड्यूरेशन है वो डिफरेंट होता है हर एनिमल में. हर प्लांट का ग्रोथ प्रोसेस डिफरेंट होता है, बट इन जनरल द बिगनिंग ऑफ लाइफ इज बर्थ, एंड इन प्लांट्स इट इज सीड, और फिर ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट होती है, और फिर रिप्रोडक्शन होती है. इन जनरल स्टेजेस जो हैं वो सिमिलर हैं. उन स्टेजेस में क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस हैं वो अलग चीज़ है एक. So my dear students, the life cycle of hen completes in 3 stages: hen, eggs and chicken. So from egg to chick birth. The hen lays eggs and sits on them. The hen transfers heat from its body to eggs. It is called incubation. During this period, the baby of the chick develops inside the egg. After 21 days, the egg breaks and the chick comes out. So my dear students, on this side you can see कि आपको एक ही picture में यहाँ मदर hen नज़र आ रही हैं, एग्स नज़र आ रहे हैं, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो सी चिक्स. सो होता क्या है बर्थ टाइम पे, hen जो है वो इट ले एग्स, एंड आफ्टर व्हेन इट ले एग्स तो उसके जो वो एग्स के ऊपर बैठ जाती है, इट सेट ऑन द एग्स, एंड फ्रॉम द हीट ऑफ इट्स बॉडी दिस इट ट्रांसफर्स टू द एग्स, और वहाँ पे जो है वो अंदर जो है वो बेबी चिक जो है उसकी डेवलपमेंट होती है या एम्ब्रियो की डेवलपमेंट होती है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड इंक्यूबेशन. ये जो सिटिंग ऑफ hen ऑन द एग्स है एंड द ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट फ्रॉम द बॉडी टू द एग्स, दिस इज कॉल्ड इंक्यूबेशन. और कुछ अरसे के बाद आफ्टर 21 days द एग ब्रेक्स एंड द चिक कम्स आउट. सो इसका हैचिंग टाइम जो है दैट इज 21 days. फ्रॉम चिक टू hen, ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट. अब जो है चिक जो है वो कैसे hen में डेवलप होगा, लेट्स हैव अ लुक. When the chick comes out of the egg, it is too weak to walk and is wet due to egg's fluid. Gradually, it starts to move and eat food. The chick takes around 90 days to reach the adult stage to complete its adulthood. So, my dear students, 90 days में सबसे पहले तो जब the chick hatch out of the egg, it is wet. उसको egg का जो fluid होता है वो लगा हुआ होता है, and it is very weak. बहुत छोटा सा होता है, उसके ऊपर पूरे पर भी नहीं होते, feathers भी पूरे नहीं होते. With the time, growth and development starts. Its feathers starts growing. It becomes more powerful. It starts growing. It starts getting its own food. And in 90 days, it becomes an adult hen like this. And now it is capable enough to lay eggs again. So, cycle जो है वो complete होने वाला है. Now laying eggs or reproduction. The adult hen has a strong body and bigger size. It becomes able to lay eggs. Thus, the process of life continues. The hen lays more eggs and more chicks are produced through stage 1, which grow to become hen or cock. The successful reproduction stage ensures the continuity of life and preserve the characters such as body, color, size, some habits, etc. So, my dear students, now after 90 days, the hen is bigger enough. It is now fully grown, mature है, adult है. Now it is capable enough to lay eggs. So यही जो eggs हैं, then they will again hatch, और जो है more eggs और more hens और cocks, यानी कि male और female जो हैं, this start coming out of those eggs. So this ensures the continuity of life. इससे जो है characters भी आपके जो है आगे transfer होते जाते हैं, color and size also. So this is the continuity of life, and this is called the life cycle. So some tidbits, एक बड़ा interesting सा है. Sometimes the growth and development stage is further classified into substages depending upon the series of changes. It happens into the life cycle of butterfly where pupa and larva are substages. So my dear students, अब यहाँ आप देखेंगे कि eggs से लार्वा जो है it comes out and then it changes into pupa. अब आप ये देखिए कि इसकी growth and development की 2 stages हो गई, that it changes into caterpillar or a larva, or then it changes into a pupa, and then from the pupa an adult butterfly comes out, and then it is again capable enough to lay eggs. So this is the life cycle of a butterfly. मैं यहाँ आपको with pictures explain करती हूँ. Butterflies always lay their eggs on the top of the leaves. Then caterpillars comes out of it and it starts eating leaves. And after a few days, it hangs itself from the branch of a tree. यानी कि ये अपने आप को लटका लेता है किसी टहनी के साथ, and it changes into a pupa इस तरीके से. And from the pupa, a adult butterfly comes out. Just like this. And now this butterfly is capable enough to lay eggs again. So this is the life cycle of a butterfly, and the growth and development has 2 stages. One is caterpillar or larva and the other is pupa. So my dear students, now is the time for exercise. For exercise, you will do question number 4 from the writing practice. How does the life of an animal begin? Support your answer with examples from the daily life. So कैसे होती है start? The first stage in the life of an animal is birth. Some animals hatch and some are born. Chickens and birds hatch from eggs, while kittens and puppies are born. So this is the answer to your question. Write it down or note it down in your notebooks. From here, we will move forward towards the evaluation. For evaluation, I will ask questions from the listening and speaking practice in your books. So question number 15, I will start from question number 16. What is incubation? So the hen lay eggs and it sits on the eggs and transfer heat from its body to the eggs. This is called incubation. Then how much time does the incubation process of a chick takes? It takes 21 days. And in how many months does a chick turns into an adult hen or cock? It takes 90 days, that is 3 months. Then there is what is the difference between life cycle of hen and plant. अब आपको differentiate करना है. You can pause the video and now you can easily differentiate between the life cycle of a hen and a plant. I hope now you are able to do it. Now we will move forward towards your homework. For homework, you will do analysis and interpretation from your book, unit number 11. आपको कुछ statements दी गई हैं. There are options given below and you have to encircle the correct option. Let me do the first one for you. Identify the life stage that ensures continuity of life cycle. Birth, reproduction, growth and development. Reproduction. This ensures the continuity of life. ठीक है? Reproduction नहीं होगी, animal will take birth, it will grow, if it's not able to reproduce, so the life will not continue. So for the continuity of life, reproduction must take place. Number 2, new sunflower plants grows from flowers, leaves, seeds. The feature that differentiates a chick from a cock is presence of claws, presence of beak, presence of coxcomb, that is presence of coxcomb. Growth means giving birth to young ones, having weak body, growing large in size. Growing large in size. The process of germination takes place in hen, sunflower or ferns. Sunflowers. Identify the stage sprouting of young leaves, very small size. Germination. Laying eggs in animals is the part of birth, growth, reproduction, birth. So my dear students, this is the analysis and interpretation. You will do it in homework. So my dear students, what have we learned today? Animals start their life either by hatching out from the eggs or by having birth. The life cycle of hen comprises 3 consecutive stages. In the growth stage, the size of animals and plants increases. So my dear students, I hope you have learned a lot of new things from the life cycle of hen today. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.